Hello viewers, thanks for watching this video. My name is Chooks, and in this video I want to show how you can repair your computer if it is running slow. So sometimes you'll notice that your computer is running slow. When you click on something, it takes forever to open. Sometimes it hangs or it crashes on you, right? So there are different things you can do on your computer to improve the performance, and that's what this video is all about. Without wasting time, let's dive into it as usual. So in order to fix this computer that is running slow, we're going to perform 6 steps, right? Number one on my list is disable startup apps. So there are some apps that when your computer starts up, this app starts up with the computer, and some of the apps may not be needed, okay? We are going to disable, I'll show you how to disable the ones that are not needed. So the ones that are needed can run with the computer and it will improve the performance as well. Next one will be clear temporary files. So these are files that has been downloaded on into the system over time, okay? And you don't necessarily need these files anymore. Some of them are old Windows updates and some other files that have been redundant on the system. So when you remove these files from the system, you'll have more space, okay? And it improves the performance of the system. The next one is background apps. So sometimes there are some apps that will be running in the background, while you're working on your system. There are apps that are running in the background. So we're going to disable some of the apps that we don't want to run in the background, so that the performance of the system can be improved, okay? The next one would be to increase your page file. So page file is some kind of memory that the system uses to work, okay, that can be taken from the hard disk. So I'll show you how to use part of your hard disk as a memory for saving some documents when your system is processing some of the activities that you're doing on the system. So that will improve the performance of the system as well, okay? So the next one will be optimize your hard disk. So if there are files scattered all over your hard disk, it can slow down the performance of the system. So we're going to follow some steps to organize the files, and that will improve the performance of the system as well. Then the last step here will be to scan for viruses, right? So it depends on the antivirus program that you're using. So in this video, we'll be using Windows 11, and there's inbuilt antivirus program application in Windows 11 that we're going to use to scan for viruses. I'll show you how to do that, okay? So without wasting time, let's go into the demonstration. See you in the lab. So the first thing here is disable startup apps. So I'll show you how to do that. So what you do is on the taskbar, you right click on taskbar and select Task Manager. So when Task Manager opens, you click on Startup Apps. Click on Startup Apps, which is this one. So these are the apps that starts when the computer starts, and I might not need all of them to start with the computer. So when you look at the status bar here, you will see some of them are disabled already, okay, and some of them are enabled, okay? So if I want, for example, this one not to start with the computer, I right click on it and say disable, right? So what you will do in your own case is to look at all these apps listed here and choose the ones that you don't want to start when the computer starts, and just right click on it and disable it, okay? In that way, you're improving the speed of the system, all right? So let's go to the second one. Yeah, so the second item on the list is clear temporary files. So in order to do that, we are going to go to type run here on the search bar, type run, all right? So when run opens, just bring it over here to type temp on it, so you can navigate to the temporary files, okay? Right, so now this is the temporary files in this computer. So what you're going to do is you're going to select some of them or all of them, depending on what you want to remove, and you right click on it and select delete. So when you delete it, all the files that are temporarily staying on your computer and occupying space will be deleted, and this helps you to save some space on your computer for the computer to work better. Again, once that is done, once you deleted this, you can go back to run, okay? Let's go close here, we'll go back to run again. So type run here, open run, and when run opens, you type percentage in front of temp and another percentage again before and after temp, okay? So okay, so it opens this other temporary folder on your computer, and you right click on all of them. You select all of them, or as many as you want to remove, and then click on delete, okay? So once you click on delete, all these files will go away from your computer. You delete them from your computer, okay? And it it will free some space on your hard disk, right? And it makes your computer to run faster, okay? Generally improve the performance. All right, so that is it about this one. So we're going to the next one right now, okay? So the next item here is check for background apps. So in order to do that, you click on this window icon, right? Then go to settings. All right, so when setting opens up, let's wait for it to open. So the setting has opened, you click on apps. Okay, you choose installed apps. Okay, you click on installed apps, and you're going to see a list of apps that are installed on this computer. Okay, so it will be displayed. Then you choose any app you don't want to run in the background. So for example, I don't want calculator. You can click on these three dots beside calculator. Right, then click advanced option. Okay, then under background app permission, you click on this drop down and choose never. Right, so when you choose never, right, this app will never run in the background when you're working on something. So you can go through the list and select the ones that you don't want to run in the background. Okay, so in that way it will free up the processor, okay, and improve the performance of the system. Okay, so that is it about this. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Number 5 is optimize your hard disk. So let me show you how that is done. You just come to search bar and type just PC on Windows 11, but for Windows 10 it could be my computer, right? So once it opens, just open this PC, right? So now we have this PC and this is the hard disk on this computer. I will click on it, select properties, right? So I click on tools, right, and check for error checking. So this will check the hard disk for error. So I click on check. Okay, you don't need to scan this drive. So I can say scan drive. So this will check the hard disk for errors, right? It's going to take a little while to allow it to run to the end. So once that is done, you can close it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to close it right now because I don't want it to extend, it's nice, right? So when it opens, this is a drive. You make sure the drive is selected, and then you have to click on optimize. So it will begin to optimize the hard disk. After the optimization, it will now defragment the hard disk. So once that is done, you notice that it will improve the speed, the processing speed of your computer, because the computer will be able to access the files in a better way because it is better organized. Okay. So the last step in this video is scan for viruses. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that depending on your antivirus application you have on your computer. But in this one, I'm going to use the inbuilt antivirus of Windows 11. All right, so let's do that. So I will come here and type Windows Security. Okay, so it will pop up. All right, so I'll just click on open. So yeah, so this is the Windows Security that I have on this computer. So I will go to virus and threat protection. Okay, virus, so just click it, it opens. Then here I can click on quick scan, current threat, no current threat on the system, but I can scan the computer. I can decide to do a quick scan. I can go to scan options, okay? But in this case, I will just do a quick scan to show you how this is done. So this is it. The antivirus application is scanning the system, okay? So at the end of the scan, it's going to display the result. You can see if there is any threat on your computer, and there will be an action to be taken. You can decide to quarantine, or you can decide to remove it from your system. Just click on whatever is displayed for you on your computer and then take the necessary actions to protect your computer. And that's how it's done. And there you have it. So I believe that in this video, I've been able to show you a few steps that you can use to improve the performance of your system. Although this is not everything you need to do, but you don't need to basically do everything. But I believe that these are 6 quality steps you can take to improve the performance of your system, especially when you notice that it's running very slow. All right? Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, follow, like, share, comment, do whatever you can do to support this channel and make it to grow bigger. All right, thank you. Till see you again in my next episode. Stay blessed and have a good one.